Alright, y'all, today we're at like the Maya something. We don't know where we're at.
Costa Maya, I think.
Costa Maya.
Something like that.
So, let's go exploring. Alright, here we are. Our ship is behind us with another ship in front of us. And the land's that away, so that's the way we're gonna go. Starbucks. Yeah, buddy?
Yeah, buddy.
We're on a golf cart.
We're at the beach.
We're at the beach?
Yep.
What's this beach called?
The Drunk Burrito.
The Drunk Burrito. And it's raining right now.
Yeah, it's actually pretty nice.
Not gonna lie though, I kinda like that it's raining. It's just reality here. Reality here. So
We had to get away from all the thank you so much.
thank you very much.
It has my name on it. We had to get away from the whole I don't know, what do you call that?
Yeah, so like we landed and there was just a whole bunch of like touristy shops and stuff, so we rented a golf cart to get inland and away from all that, because this is probably this is touristy too, but it's much less so.
It's spring break.
Yeah, so gotta go to the culture. Cowabunga, baby! Alright, y'all, here we are on the beach, the coast of, where are we again?
Costa Maya.
Costa Maya. Pretty cool town. Once you get like out of the touristy area, it's super pretty. Trying to interact with some of the locals. There's still a bunch of these golf carts driving around. So I guess you can't avoid all of them. But it's super cool out here. It's been kind of like raining on and off, but we love it. What do you think?
Super pretty.
It is
It's
really
humid.
pretty.
It kind of smells funny a little bit.
But we're digging it. We're digging it.
Yeah.
We're gonna see if we can find some local food and try that.
Yeah.
So let's see what we come up with. What we doing, babe?
We're getting something to eat.
Getting something to eat?
Yeah.
Nice little restaurant and hotel
Yeah.
right on
Right on
the
the
beach.
water.
We're excited about it. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be very, very tasty. Boom, look at that.
So good.
Caprese salad.
Yeah.
We didn't eat that bread, but they gave it to us anyways. There's our tuna cooked in olive oil and pepper. Very, very tasty. Alright, so our golf cart's broken down right now. Gotta give it a little push. So here we go. We got it. Alright, y'all, I started editing the footage and I realized that it's mostly just us driving around in a golf cart, which is cool, but doesn't really add much value for y'all, so I wanted to leave you with a little tidbit, and that is simply this. When we were driving around, I always forget where were we?
Costa Maya.
Costa Maya. We were driving around Costa Maya. It was obvious that we were living in like a lower like class area, in the sense that like people were living in huts. You know, there was trash everywhere on the ground. You know, people would literally go out and fish and then eat that fish that night, and that was just their day-to-day. Like, they didn't have industry, they didn't have big buildings. Like, tourism is where their economy is, and fishing is where their economy is. But it was really humble because, like, they were happy, they were smiling, and they were just living their day-to-day in peace with a smile on their face with very little to their name. It's really hard for me to accept excuses if you live in the United States of America. I realize that some people are better off than others, but simply living in America and having what you have at your fingertips puts you so far ahead of like everybody else, you know? And I hate to see people take that for granted. Like, I hate when I take it for granted. So I encourage everybody to take advantage of that opportunity. Take advantage of the nutrition you have in front of you. The grocery store stocked full of good foods in your neighborhood. The gyms in your neighborhood. The academics, the education, like every opportunity you have, the career path. I mean, you can literally make technology. Like, these people didn't have cell phones, some of them. Like, they're not even connected to the world. You have more power in the palm of your hand with a cell phone than most of these people ever will or ever have. And just take advantage of that, y'all. Like, the world can become a great place where people add so much more value than they take, and you have that power, you know? You have the power to make a difference. You have the power to just do right by your fellow man or woman. So just do that, you know? Like, don't make excuses for your shortcomings. Don't make excuses for what you don't have in life. If you want something, go and freaking get it, because you have the tools available to you. And that's all I've got to say. Tonight's formal dinner. We're going to go get something to eat right now. We'll catch y'all tomorrow.